What's up, YouTube? Dubb TV back with another video. You know, today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how to replace a engine coolant temperature sensor. I'm doing it on my Tahoe 5.3 liter engine. It's the sensor. Let me see if I can zoom in on that a little bit. But it's the sensor right there. I already unplugged the sensor. It's that one right there. I already disconnected the harness from it. First thing first though, let me disconnect the battery. It was already loose enough for me to do it with my hand. So yeah, this is the first step right here. Anytime you're changing the sensor, make sure that your battery's disconnected. That way it don't trigger other sensors to fall it out or shorten the new sensor up. Let me put this camera down for a quick second. Yeah, so I'm loosening the battery. Look, that's tightening it. First thing first, you want to loosen that battery. Get that all, get your negative off. Like I said, that way you don't short out your new sensor. Next, I got the sensor right here. Duralast. I said once again, this is on a 5.3 liter engine. That's the sensor. So next, what I'm about to do is remove that sensor. So I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna tap right back in a second. Alright, so what I did to take that out was I just used some channel locks that I got right there. Used the channel locks, and I just screwed it out. You could tell that it's new. See how it's shining in there. But yeah, this is a engine coolant temperature sensor right here. 5.3 engine, but yeah, if you ever get code P1258, you know, for pretty much, I'm pretty sure it's any car, that's what it's gonna be. Your engine coolant temperature sensor. Check engine light to come on. Get the code, read it, replace that, and you should be all good to go. But yeah, man, my camera's about to be dead. Dubb TV with another video. You know, if y'all need some tips on something, let me know. Tap in. This is the Tahoe. Got it looking kind of clean right now. But yeah, Dubb TV, man. Just had to do a quick little engine coolant temperature sensor. Tap in, let me know. Gone.